Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. So let's talk about landing pages for a while and see how things go. So, what is a landing page? So the first thing first, we will talk about like what is a landing page and why it's so important. Then characteristic of landing page, how to make a landing page so good that your haram girlfriend will buy from, and understanding characteristics and how these characteristics can help you. So let's talk about what is a landing page. It's basically an interest page. Like if you go, somebody just came from the clicking on ads or clicking an email or marketing things. That can be a home page is a little bit different because they have different goals. But a landing page is something you have a conversion goals and you wanna focus on that. So landing page itself isn't thing. It's a landing page plus ad plus landing page is equal to money. If one thing is missing, you won't be making money. So focus on making landing page and ad both so you can make good amount of money with it. Okay, if the landing page doesn't do its job, it's not worth it. The full landing page experience is adding more than the landing page. So I will explain this point. Is if you have given a task or you are building a landing page for somebody and you are asked to build a landing page and you build a landing page but nobody gets if something happening on the checkout or something is blocking the main goal, the main conversions or the main KPI of that landing page, and it's not getting the desired result. So your job is to check out the checkout as well, not just building a landing page. Your job is to make the process smoothly as possible, not just focusing on building that landing page. You have to focus on how is the checkout happening and how things going to help them. So let's talk about the characteristic of landing pages. Okay, the first thing first is this is basically a landing page plus form checkout is equal to money. Money is actually a goal, so that's how things happening. So so in some cases you will be having using like form, or some on e-commerce you will be using a checkout. So this is how a form, or this is how a funnel will look like. Ad, a landing page, checkout. Okay, if the checkout isn't working, this is what I talked about. Okay, so let's talk about characteristic. I want to talk about the characteristic because these are like what should be the main important elements on a landing page that can help you improve your conversions more better. Okay, so let's just talk about this one. The first thing first, act relevant follow up on the ad. Whatever happening on the ad should always be available on your landing page. Okay, whatever offer is going on the landing page should have the same offer, on the ad level should have the same on the landing page. If you're giving 20% off, your website should show 20% off. That's it. Second, matches the awareness level of the target audience. I wanted to talk about the awareness level, but maybe this can be another video. So like, there are multiples, top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel. So exactly how aware of the product. The second one is like the problem aware. This third one is basically solution aware. And the fourth one is product aware. And the fifth one is most aware, which is like the warm traffic. So you will have to match those with the desire with the ad level. So it's so important that majority of the people miss this thing. So you will not have to miss this thing because everybody is neglected this. Everybody is driving traffic to the product page or home page, but it should be listicles, it should be collection pages, it should be home pages, it should be some kind of information pages, but it shouldn't be like the product page. So this is something important. Reinforce motivation. Whatever the ad says, if the ad says like we are giving 20% off, you would motivate the customers on the ad level to motivate them to buy the purchase. Like if the goal is a purchase, motivate them to get the purchase. Whatever this happens is like give them benefits of the product, give them features of the product, so you can motivate them to go to the gym. I'm just kidding. Okay, so this is what's happening. Answer the right questions. Like if they have something going on the let's suppose if this has happened because of a research, so you will check out the post-purchase surveys, review mining, heuristic analysis, or anything like that you think they have answers on their mind, so you can answer those answer those questions in a landing page, which is really important, to be honest. Reduce friction. So friction is really important. Friction is something, if you want to do something on the landing page and something is stopping the customers to make that purchase or make that desire conversions, that is called actually friction. Something is stopping the customers to get the desired purchase. This is actually a definition of it. So, and one of the interactive cognitive and emotion. So interactive is basically you're using your phone. Now suppose you're using your phone, you find something, you can't add to cart the product. This is basically interaction or interactive. Cognitive is cognitive is really important in the CRO field. It's a big topic, but let me explain it really easily. If you use your brain a lot, if you use you're using your brain a lot to make a purchase, to make a decision on a landing page or anything, that is cognitive. So you will have to lower your cognitive frictions or cognitive bias. Anything that uses less brain, like they don't have to think. There is a book called Think Slow and Fast, in which he talks about two system of brains. The one is like, the first one is make quick decisions. The second one is make like thinks a lot. So the first brain, you have to use the first brain a lot. So cognitive is like the less brain use is actually important. And emotionals, like you will have to talk about the emotional stuff and everything like that, which is clear. Okay, the last one is clear path to conversion goal. I think it's really important you make a whole journey from the conversion goals. So like if somebody is purchasing something, you have to build a full path of it. Like really important. Just like from ad level to the landing page level to the conversions goal, which is farm or checkout. So clear path. Yeah. Thank you. I hope you learned something new from this. Thank you guys.